Hey, what's up, everyone? January payrolls came in and it was good. It was better than expected. 130K plus payrolls, and employment rate went down to 4.3% from 4.4%. So that reassures the market that the economy is still holding up. And then the NASDAQ opened up in positive territory, but the market continued to decline. And now it's kind of taking a bounce, so we'll see if this bounce will hold. We sold contracts yesterday for Cloudflare. Cloudflare did well, and they're up 10% as you can see right now. But we're still in the profit zone because our contracts are out of the money that we sold, where strike price was 210, and so that's good for us. LYFT, on the other hand, no, not on the other hand, but also is profitable for us, where it's gone the opposite direction of where the strike price is, which is I think around 18 and a half or something like that. And so yeah, that's basically the contracts are worth nothing, so we can buy it for almost dirt cheap to close out and pocket all the profits. Cisco Systems is going to release earnings after the bell. We'll see what they have to say about their business and if AI, how much weight AI is going to throw behind them to see if it can take the stock further up. And if it continues up, maybe we'll sell a contract at the end of the day. Shopify, great stock, great revenues, but earnings got hit, missed expectations, and so is the stock. So that's unfortunate for Shopify, but still a really good growth story. And even worse is Robinhood, or similar actually. Yeah, Robinhood, I listened to the call yesterday. Wow, what a fantastic call. Falad answered a lot of questions, and their CFO Shiv also answered questions, but Falad handled the questions really well, addressed all the concerns. Unfortunately, Wall Street just looks at the numbers, and particularly the number that they were concerned about is crypto, their dependency on cryptocurrency, which is only part of their business, and it missed the revenues because the different, the pricing is lower relative to its peak last fall, and so that changed the mix of activity, not necessarily less activity, but they had less casual traders being active and more active traders who typically do higher volume, and by doing higher volume, they have they're in a lower price tier, you can say, and so that impacted their revenues, but it wasn't like a crazy amount, I guess. Yeah, the street is basically selling off on it, let's just say. I'll leave it at that, and maybe I'll shoot a video about Robinhood since we have it in our demo portfolio. And I still love the stock, despite where it is now. Here we go, our open position. So yeah, here's LYFT. It's worth half a cent. So we're going to close that out and pocket $435. I'll create a closing order right now, and Cloudflare, we're in the profit zone too. Maybe the premium can decay a little bit more. I'll hold off on closing this out for now. Maybe I can close it out later today, or maybe carry it throughout. Let's look at Cisco. Cisco is one of the stocks reporting earnings after the bell, and it's kind of the only tech stock that I'm interested in. I think Cisco, it's relatively stable stock. We can look even at the implied volatility for Cisco out of curiosity, and it's 0.37, 0.375. So it's on the higher side for Cisco, but relative to other crazy tech stocks, it's more on the tamer side. Yeah, so if it goes up to 88, 89, maybe I can sell a contract for a strike price around 95-ish. 95 maybe. Right now, the contracts are worth around between 31 cents and 35 cents. So that's game plan today. Maybe I'll open a position before the close of the bell for Cisco, but we're going to close out LYFT, and then we made $435, and we're in the profit zone for Cloudflare right now, and I'll maybe close that out later today or carry it throughout tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, good trades yesterday, and we'll see if we get a chance to ship to Cisco tonight. All right. Yeah, don't forget to like the video if you do. I'll catch you next episode.